YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to export Figma to CMKY. So guys, if you want to export Figma to CMKY for print design, so guys, it is very easy. So guys, here you see that I am drawing one image and fill the color with, okay, just go down. Now guys, it's time to export. For export, simply click here. After that, there is a one action button, an option shows here, so you just click on it, and after that here you simply search the CMKY. If it is not shows in the all, so click on the option of plugin and visit. So guys, here you see the option of print from Figma CMKY blade crop mark and DPI. Click and run. It start loading your print from Figma. Then it asks for the pro version, so I am already create, and you simply create it, and guys here you can click the option of done. Okay, so this is the way that you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. I hope this video is very helpful for you.